Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are just now leaving someone's house from picking up a mini fridge because we gotta keep our drinks cool somehow. So, we are headed back to the shop currently. I didn't update you all on the disassembly process of me doing the O2 sensor, but we are actually headed there to put the new O2 sensor in the E90. And guys, if you all have not been watching the E90 series, oh my god, this car almost just like flew and it is basically destroyed. If you all saw that car just like fly by me, yeah, that just happened. Anyways, we're headed to the shop to put the new O2 sensor in. It's been an interesting process. I've never done an O2 sensor before, so, and there's a guy on the street. Guys, welcome to Nicholasville. Welcome to Nicholasville. But yeah, it's been an interesting process as far as putting the O2 sensor in. Guys, we're making progress. I had to order an O2 sensor tool. Apparently there's a tool that basically slips over the wire and right onto the O2 sensor and somehow makes it really easy for you to take the O2 sensor off. Don't ask me how it works, I don't know. We're gonna find out together actually here in the next few minutes. So, I will see you all when we get to the shop. It's very exciting to buy new things. And sometimes you don't want to, but I bought a mini fridge. It's used, but currently I have a wine cooler, and the wine cooler just, it's not meant for drinks. It looked cool at the time, and it still does, because it has a little blue light in it and everything. But as far as usability, it just, if you're looking for a cooler to cool like your drinks, don't get a wine cooler. A wine cooler is called a wine cooler for a reason, and it should stick to wine cooling. We're gonna hop inside and take this mini fridge out and get it all set up and cleaned out, and then we're gonna get to this O2 sensor because I'm excited to get this E90 on the road. I did some shopping last night, just some browsing actually, just some browsing, and I found some pretty cool things that I really want to do for this car. I'm not gonna disclose those yet, but just you wait. Really neat things are gonna come up here in the next month or so. So let's get into the shop. Well, we finally made it back to the BMW, and I have some tools that I got from Amazon. First set of tools is our O2 sensor socket set. This is apparently going to help us with our O2 sensor and getting it off. Here's this tool that I was telling you all about right here. This is the O2 sensor socket, so it has this line in here so you can run it down the cord and in, because you can't get a regular socket around. I hope it fits. I don't know if it will or not. Then we have some other stuff. We have some, I don't know what this is. This is another socket thing that I've seen, and another one, another size. So this is what we're gonna be using to get the O2 sensor out. This is bank 1 sensor 2. We're gonna go and get started. I already have everything taken apart. All we have to do is take the O2 sensor out and put the new one in and plug it up and, well, clear the codes, and hopefully we'll be good to go. I'm really hoping so, because this is basically the last issue that this car has besides the oil leak. Electronically, this is the last issue the E90 has. So I haven't shown you all yet what sensor it is. Let me see if I can get you all a better view of it. So if you all can see that sensor right back, that is the O2 sensor that we're removing. Finally got it out. This is the old one right here. As you all can see on this tip, it looks burnt. It looks like it's been through a lot. So this is the old one right here. And new one right here. New one, old one. They may look the same, but when I take this tip off here, so it actually comes pre-lubed, which is very nice actually. I didn't know this, but this actually comes pre-lubed. So, new, old. See the difference now? Looks a lot better. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. I have to remember what the torque spec is for this, but I'll find that out and then I'll let you all know. So we have the O2 sensor in, it's on. We just have to tighten it down to 37 foot-pounds, which is 50 Newton meters of torque. So we have our torque wrench here and our bit right here that goes around the O2 sensor. It came pre-lubricated, which is amazing, as I said before. We're gonna do this, we're gonna put all the pieces back together that we have down here, and well, we're gonna clear this code and give her a start. Hopefully she'll be running smoother than ever. So I'm really excited to see if it actually helps. So stay tuned. Well, we finally got the O2 sensor in. It is locked down tight. We got it torqued down to the correct torque setting. Now all we have to do is put all the paneling back in. But before we do that, we have to make sure the code is cleared. We're gonna go ahead and hop in the car and plug in our Carly OBD scanner and go ahead and clear some codes and get her back up and running. Let's go ahead and connect to our Carly. I don't know if we should turn the engine on or not yet. I think I'm gonna let it read the code first before we do this. Connect to our BMW. Man, guys, I'm so ready to drive this car finally. I've been ready so long. I've been ready for so long. Guys, I've got some big things coming up. I told you all earlier that I was doing some shopping. Like, I'm doing some shopping. I've got some big ideas for this thing. Basically a whole transformation of the body. I'm just gonna leave you all with that. It's still unreal to me that I even have this car. I've always wanted a manual car, and this is like crazy to me. I have to fix this mirror at some point too. I have no idea how to do that. This code may be one of those codes that just has to go away on its own. I don't know. You know what's crazy about this is this BMW has less issues than my Volkswagen right now. This car has like 3 issues. My Volkswagen has like 30. Okay, footwell module, junction box, AU heater and air conditioning, smart mechanic, I don't know what that is. Roof, interior lights, that's fine. Footwell module, dipped beam left faulty. That's something that we will have to fix at a later date. Oxygen sensor clear. We're gonna clear this oxygen sensor and hopefully, guys, oh my gosh, guys, I really hope we fixed it. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the car off, open the door up, let the car shut down for a minute, turn all the lights off just so we're saving that. We'll have to check that airbag in a little bit. Okay, so here we go. It's all or nothing now. I'm nervous. 3, 2, 1. Aha! Our check engine light went away. I love it. We did it. It already sounds better. It sounds a lot better, actually. So we're gonna let it run for a minute, and then I'll update you all here in a sec. So it's been about 5 minutes now. We're still in the car here, and the check engine light's still off. We have an airbag light on, but we're gonna get to that at a later date. But guys, we finally fixed the issue. The O2 sensor is running perfectly now. We got the right one, thankfully. I was really worried about that we didn't get the right one, but got the right one. Anyways, this is where we're gonna end the video, but before we go, I just wanna say thank you to everybody who's been watching the channel since the beginning. You all have been the motivation for me to keep doing this. As I say in every video, guys, without you all, these videos would not be happening. You all are the reason why I do YouTube, and we are this close to being monetized. This close. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. But another problem down on the E90. A few more to go. We're getting closer and closer every single day to fully fixing this thing. And guys, I'm ready to start this transformation. I'm ready to start the actual upgrades. We've been fixing it, now we just need to upgrade it a little bit. And with that being said, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.